Yo guys, it's me Alan, and this video is about Thanksgiving. So there will be two parts. The first part is Thanksgiving, and we're going to eat stuff. And the second part is when I'm cooking food for my host parents and my friends. Let's go!
You made it even better. Mashed potatoes.
Ooh.
So, I bought these silly little paper activity table covers and some pretty plates and pretty napkins.
The bum things are
The
done.
bum rolls.
Get out. Hi.
Hi.
We get a drumstick because we were cooking. Right, Natalia?
Oh, this looks cool.
And this keep boring if they're cooked enough.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Count how many times they told you that today?
I think he told me like this like second time. Where?
I know this one got odd. I don't know. I don't know.
Bum rolls.
I bought lots of yogurt.
I became the cameraman.
There you go. Okay, hey, why are you throwing a fit? I'm so confused.
Holy Bible.
Okay, sit back up there.
Well,
It's the most, like, let's eat some more of your food and then I'll give you yogurt. How about I eat one of your toasts? Can I eat one of your toasts?
I think that's kind of squishy. Like,
I'm so good at this.
I began.
What will this be called?
Harry Potter, Harry Potter.
it's like pork.
Yeah, what is the
pork.
name of it?
It's grilled pork neck. It's the grilled pork neck. Yeah.
Harry Potter,
What is it called in Thai?
Harry Potter,
Combo. Yeah.
Harry
Oh,
Potter,
okay.
Harry Potter, Angel and Demons,
So in Thai, the name is just like the same as
Harry Potter, 50 Shades Dark.
That is-
Twilight, bro. Like,
That's English name. It's girl.
I read Twilight. I read Twilight in like 4 hours.
I think there's a. Is this 5 or 6?
I don't know.
Yeah. Oops, I forget.
I didn't count. You didn't tell me to count.
My bad.
The Harry
Where the
Potter.
red fern grows.
Yeah, I hope this
Such a
works.
good sad one.
Yeah, I think
What?
this works.
Where the red fern grows.
Oh, I've never heard of it.
Oh, really? It's a good one.
Oh.
Go!
What?
It splashed.
1984. Everyone's reading that one.
I think that's enough. I think that is enough for 6 teaspoons, I think.
1,000 pages, man. What is that?
I think that's works.
Reading that?
We had it in school,
Oh my God, I read
obligatory, but I didn't read it.
You're done.
Yes, do we still have...
You're done.
The result of that dinner is so good. Everybody liked the food. They're like, oh man, you're so good. But the reason that I didn't have the video about when they eat the food is because I'm too hungry and I want to eat the food too. So I forgot to record the video and I went straight digging the food. So, food comforts. That's how things work. See ya!